Welcome back to my channel. Today I've been diving deep into a vehicle we've had the pleasure of driving for the past 5 months, putting around 6,200 miles on it. Despite the fact that the car has a total of 26,000 miles and has been driven by almost every journalist in the Midwest, it's still going strong. Hey everyone, today we're going to answer every possible question you might have about this vehicle, especially if you're considering buying one. We'll cover consumable costs, exterior durability, interior comfort, winter driving experience, and daily usability. But first, let's talk about the car itself. This is the Venza Limited trim, fully loaded at $27,500, about $1,000 less than a similarly equipped RAV4 Hybrid Limited. This model is in titanium glow, an off-color gold that's surprisingly popular with a certain demographic. But honestly, when you look at the various trim levels available, there's probably a better sweet spot than this fully loaded version. I love the heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, and the JBL audio system. These features are a daily luxury. Inside, you'll notice that Toyota's designers prioritize the front occupants. The rear, however, does suffer a bit due to the coupe-like roofline, affecting headroom and cargo space compared to the RAV4. For me though, it works. I can carry my dogs, groceries, and even a set of wheels and tires. The seats are comfortable, with good support, and the leather-wrapped touchpoints give it a Lexus-like feel. When it comes to driving, the safety suite works well, though not as advanced as Kia and Hyundai systems. The lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control are great for long drives. My only gripe is the infotainment and HVAC controls. The piano black finish looks sleek but is a fingerprint magnet and not very user-friendly. Mechanically, this car has held up impressively well. We compared it to some new Subarus and Hondas, and the Venza looks great underneath after 2 winters. Consumable costs are reasonable. The most expensive item is the battery pack, which will need replacement around 150,000 miles, costing between $6,000 to $7,000. Brakes cost around $300 per axle at the dealer, and tires are about $150 each. So aside from the battery, maintenance is quite affordable. Tihi Venza has held up well, both mechanically and in terms of paint quality. It's a solid vehicle for those looking for a balance between luxury and practicality. One of the key aspects we tested was winter driving. With its on-demand all-wheel drive system and winter tires, the Venza performed admirably in snow and icy conditions. The heated seats and steering wheel make those cold mornings much more bearable. And the visibility is excellent with large windows and effective defrost systems. Day-to-day usability is where the Venza really shines. The cargo space, though slightly less than the RAV4, is still ample for most needs, and the fold-flat seats make loading larger items a breeze. I've had no issues carrying everything from groceries to sports equipment. The rear seats, while not as spacious as the front, are comfortable enough for short trips with friends or family. Now let's dive into the tech and infotainment. The Venza features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The JBL sound system delivers crisp and powerful audio. However, the touch-sensitive controls for the HVAC and infotainment are a bit of a letdown. They look great but are not as intuitive as physical buttons. You do get used to them over time, but it's not ideal. Back to the mechanical side, this Venza has a 2.5-liter engine paired with an eCVT and an on-demand all-wheel drive system. It's built on Toyota's TNGA-K platform shared with models like the RAV4 and Camry. It's a solid setup that provides a smooth and efficient driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing most road imperfections with ease. On the road, the Venza offers a comfortable and composed ride. It's not the most sporty crossover, but it handles well for its class. The power delivery is smooth, and the fuel efficiency is commendable. For those long road trips, the adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist make highway driving less tiring. Plus, the quiet cabin adds to the overall comfort. If you're in a climate with harsh winters or need more cargo space, the RAV4 might be a better choice. But for daily driving and overall comfort, the Venza is a fantastic option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. See you next time!